Harmonia welcomes you. This is Humaira and we are back with a new episode. I'm so happy to see you all once again. Once your day comes to an end, once you've finished your dinner, your body deserves to be in the cool down mode. And in this digital world, we not just train our eyes but our fingers too. Typing the entire day or using your hands throughout the day. Your fingers might feel a little strained and there can be lack of flexibility. So for that, here are 3 exercises that we can try and help us fingers feel relaxed and increases flexibility. So the first exercise would be to place your palm on the table or any other flat surface and spread your fingers apart as much as you can, like this. You have to do this for 5 seconds each time and then release. Do this for 15 times at least. And next is the thumb touch. So you bring your fingers closer to the thumb and then release. Repeat this with each finger. This exercise also needs to be done for 15 times. And with this, we go to the last exercise, which is the finger lift. So you place the hand on the table over here like this and then lift your finger. You can either do it individually or lift all your fingers at once. Again, keep repeating this for 15 times and your fingers will definitely feel relaxed and flexible again. So tell me, do you believe in self-care? Of course you should, because it is the most easiest and most essential way to pamper yourself. And the best part is that you can have your own version of self-care and your own self-care routine. When you take care of your body, when you take care of your skin and hair, you automatically feel very fresh, alive and confident, and that has an impact on your mental health as well. So you see, nothing goes wasted. So I am super excited to share with you my favorite face mask recipe, which I like to call the Hydro Booster. So I have made these into ice cubes because it saves time. I don't have to prepare it each time I want to apply, and it stays for long. So these ice cubes are made of cucumber, there is potato, glycerine, vitamin E oil, rose water and aloe vera gel. You have to apply this to your face and leave it for 15 minutes. You can repeat this routine for 2 to 3 times a week as per your convenience. And you will then thank me how fresh and bright you will feel after applying this. It will instantly give you a good glow, it will remove all the toxins from your skin and you will feel relaxed before you go to sleep. So in order to understand whether you sleep in the right position or not, here are few sleeping positions that we will discuss, and this will help you get a comfortable and relaxed sleep from now onwards. The first one is the supine position, that is sleeping on your back. If you are someone who sleeps on your back, then you're doing the right thing, because this helps the head stay a little elevated, the stomach is a little downwards below the esophagus, so this prevents the food and acid to move upwards, and that is how it is beneficial, especially for those who have acidity and other issues. With this, we move to our next sleeping position, which is sleeping on right side. So your right side of the body houses the cardiovascular system, and if you're sleeping on the right side, then that will increase pressure on the blood vessels that are responsible for circulation. Your heart will easily pump blood throughout the body, but if there is pressure on that side, it might be a little difficult. It can also harm your rib cage and lungs, so it is always better to sleep on the left side. With this, we move to our last sleeping position, which is sleeping on your stomach. By now you must have guessed this is the worst way to sleep, because you're burying your face downwards, you're sleeping on your stomach, your face is forced to be on the 90-degree angle, and that increases strain on your neck and also affects the spine. I thought sleeping was supposed to be a comfortable thing, but this sounds very painful, right? So I hope with these sleeping positions you must have understood where you have gone wrong, and if you're doing it right, then continue doing it. I know we do switch our positions throughout the night, we might not realize, but let us try to do it right. So we have talked enough about sleeping, and with this I have reached my bedtime. So I have to go now. Don't forget to wear something comfortable before you go to bed. Wash your face, brush your teeth, apply your favorite perfume, apply a nice moisturizer, and most importantly, open your mental book of gratitude where you thank your Creator for blessing you with everything you want in life, for giving you the people that you want, for all the support that you have, and for keeping you away from all the things that can harm you. Do like, share, and subscribe to Eudaimonia. Leave your precious comments below, and love, invest, find yourself, and enjoy.